Okay, so hey, what's up, guys? We're back in another video, and today we're going to talk about a specific game that is very weird because it's anime, and very weird because it's anime. So, y'all have ever heard of it? Uh, I've basically never like saw people like like play it, but I've seen people like in the titles play it. But like I didn't see the video. So like I'm like wondering like what are they gonna do? So I just wanna check Doki Doki Literature Club right here, and it's about download. Are you kidding me? I have to download it? Dude, are you kidding me? Okay, this is wait. Treasure, fireworks, marshmallow. What the wait. Okay, this game is not suitable for children or those who are easily disturbed. I'm guessing it's because there's a lot of fun. Okay, so let's just find a game that we can. I do not remember that being right there. Uh, well, we're talking about a video of the DLC, so we gotta play it. I'm sorry. If y'all already know what the game is, no, oh god, please do not spoil in the comments. It's gonna be very fun, cause it's gonna be hunky, yeah, hunky. But this game is not suitable for children who those are easily disturbed. Uh-huh. Blah 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 blah. Yes, I agree. Oh my god, the sounds are scaring me. Team Salvato presents again with this. Like we've sung this like the third time. Please enter your name. Should we just enter like my like my YouTube? Yeah, let's just do E, or we could just do like my real name. We're just gonna search. We're just gonna do it. Hey! What? Okay, this is already weird. What the heck happened to my mouse? I see an annoying girl running towards me. Okay. I can't. Uh, I see a annoying. I see an annoying girl running towards me through the distance, waving her arms like in the air, like she's totally ob- oblivious to any attention she might draw to herself. Okay, I'm okay with that. That girl is Sayori, my neighbor and good friend since we were children. Good friend. You know, the kind of friend you've never seen yourself making today, but it just kind of worked out because you've known each other for so long. We used to walk to school together on days like this, but started around high school, we would always sleep more and more frequently, and I would get tired of waiting up. But if she's gonna chase after me like this, I almost feel better off running away. However, I just sat and idle in front of the crosswalk and let Sayuri catch up to me. Ha! Ha! I overslept again! But I caught you this time! Maybe, but only because I decided to stop and wait for you. You say that like you're thinking about ignoring me. That's mean, Evie. The worst part, she literally says like Evie, like an animal, and Evie is an animal. Well, if people stare at you for acting weird, I don't want them to think that we're a couple or something. Fine, fine. But you did wait for me after all. I guess you don't have to be mean even if you want to. Whatever you say, Sayori. Rolls eyes. We cross the street together and make our way to school. As we draw near, the streets become increasingly speckled with other students making their daily commute. By the way, Evie, have you decided on a club to join yet? Oh, that's why it's called Doki Doki Literature Club. A club? I told you already. I'm not interested in joining any clubs. I haven't been looking either. Eh? That's not true. You told me you would join a club this year. Did I? I'm sure it's possible that I did. And whenever many conversations where I dismissively go along with whatever she's going on about. Sorry, Alexa, worry a little bit too much about me when I'm perfectly content just getting her content. Back off original content. This is new content. Just getting on the average, but while spending my free time on the games and anime. That's literally me. I play games for YouTube Life and also watch anime like Soul Eater and Bleach and Naruto. Uh-huh. I was talking about how I was talking about how I was worried because that you won't learn how to socialize or have any skills before college. Happiness is really important to me, you know? And I know you're happy now, but I die at the thought of you becoming a NEET in a few years. NEET! In a few years. Because you're not used to the real world. You trust me, right? Don't make me keep worrying about you. Alright, alright. I'll look at a few clubs if it makes you happy. No promises, though. Will you at least probably promise me you'll try a little? Yeah, I guess I promise you that. Yay! Why do I let myself get lectured by such a carefree girl? More than that, I use surprising even. Oh, next place. School day is ordinary as ever, and it's over here. I know it. After I pack up my things. This music is amazing. After I pack up my things, I stare blankly at the wall, looking for an ounce of motivation. Clubs. Sorry wants me to check out some clubs. I guess I have no choice but to start with the anime club. That's me. Hello? Sayori? So you must have come into the classroom while I was spacing out. Should we just skip this? I thought I'd catch you coming out of the classroom, so I saw you just sitting here and you were spacing out, so I just came in. Honestly, you're not even worse than me sometimes. I'm impressed. You don't even... Come on, let's hurry up. Meanie. I'm reading in my mind, that's why I'm saying nothing. Yeah, I'm going to the anime club. Yeah, I'm going to the anime club, not the literature club. Come on, please. Oh, come on, please. Why do you care so much anyway? Well, I kind of told the club yesterday I would bring in a new member. I do not like that. Okay. And Natsuki made cupcakes and everything. Yeah. Don't make promises you can't keep. I can't tell if Sayuri is really that much of an airhead, or if she's so cunning to have his plan and all this out. And let out a long sigh. Fine, I'll suffer by for a cupcake, okay? Yes, let's go. And thus the day marks the day I sold my soul for a cupcake. I dejectedly follow Sayuri across the stairs and says, "Not a really visit being generally used to in third year in class." Okay. Everyone, the new member is here. I told you don't call me a new member. Eh? I glance around the room. Welcome to the Literature Club. It's a pleasure to meet. It's a pleasure meeting you. Sayori always says nice things about you. Seriously? You bought a boy? You don't know if I'm a boy yet, 'cause I haven't picked my gender. Gender. Way to kill the atmosphere. Ah, Evie, what a nice surprise. Do I know you? 'Cause how do you already know my name? Okay, so the person with the biggest tetties I'm gonna go for. We of course see this girl, the middle, does not have big ones. But the left, it's growing. But look at the right. And we also matching, I think. Like a half matching, look, like the hair and kind of I'm wearing blues. Welcome to the club. Oh, words escape me in this situation. This club is full of incredibly cute girls! What are you looking at? If you want to say something, say it. Sorry. Natsuki. The girl with the sore attitude, whose name is apparently Natsuki, is one I don't recognize. Her small figure makes me think she's probably a first year. She is also the one who made cupcakes, according to Sayori. You can't just ignore her when she gets moody. Sayori says that quietly into my ear, then turns back towards the other girls. Anyway, this is Natsuki, always full of energy. And this is Yuri, the smartest in the club. Don't say things like that. She sounds like those shy girls that like you. Yuri, who appears comparably more mature and timid, seems to have a hard time keeping up with the people like Sayuri and Natsuki. Ah, well, it's nice to meet both of you. And it sounds like you already know Monika. Is that right? That girl came out of nowhere. Monika came out of nowhere. Something strange about this girl. Her eyes are just looking at me, staring into my soul. I don't like that. Wait, hold on. Can you go to the menu? Yeah, you can. Okay. It's great to see you again, Evie. Monica smiles sweetly. Wonder what she's bending down for. Do know each other? Well, we rarely talked, but we were in the same class last year. Monica was probably the most popular girl in class. Smart, beautiful, and athletic. Basically completely out of my league. So having her smile at me so geniusly feels a little. Yes. Yes, it's creepy. You too, Monica. I feel like I should like end it right here because like I only have like a little bit of time left. So that is the end for the video. You could see more me playing this more in the next video probably, or the next video after the next video. So that is all. Thanks for watching and peace out, Eevee Evolutions. Goodbye. Wait, you thought? Well, you never judge a book by its cover. Psych. Bye.